gonna put on the new front springs. These bad boys right here. Coil covered shocks, I should say. Shocks, not springs. So, I'm gonna lift it up. Get that done. Okay, the shocks are in. Boom. Plus I re-strengthened the flare. Nice and solid all the way around. Plus this corner here was hitting the tire. So I fixed it up, fastened it up. And it's pretty good now. But when I do the body work, I'm going to be molding them right in permanent. So I'm not too worried about it now, just as long as they don't fly off. That's all that matters right now. And then this side, I got the shock in. Nice. And then I'm going to do the flare on this side, strengthen it up. This one's still a little bit flimsy. And then you can see it's off here. So I'll fix that up now. Get that on before I put the tire on. Then I'm going to put the front flare on. Spoiler. And then it's a matter of hooking up those lights for the fog lights. Away we go. Okay, I'll be back when that flare is done now. One moment. Okay, these flares are in. Solid, much better here. More closer, tighter. It's solid. And it should be free from, the wheel was hitting the back corners on both sides, so. But now they're tighter in there, so I think there'll be enough room. Okay, then they're gonna tangle with the rears tomorrow, probably. So I gotta get new drums for the backs. So once I put the new drums in, then I'll be checking out the flares and fixing these rear ones up. But for now, I'm gonna install this piece now. This front spoiler here. It's gonna go right up underneath there. Clean up all that ugly looking stuff down there. And yeah. Ooh, look at the puppy. He's being a good boy. Alright. Okay. We'll mount that front spoiler. And then yeah, I'll have a look underneath at those rear leaf springs that got installed. We'll have a good check on them. But for now, front spoiler. Front spoiler alert. And then we got this windshield is another dilemma. We're going to be tackling that in the next coming days. Okay, new leaf springs have been added. Well, no, not new ones, just been upgraded, I guess you can say. We got an extra leaf added, and they've been re-arced. So it's sitting nice and even now. Both sides are even. Perfect. Rides nice and smooth in the back. There's no more dog walking or anything like that. Take it for a little ride. You can see how it sits now. Got a little bit of a forward rake. See if I can get a good shot here. I'm up close to it, so it's hard to tell in this angle, but there's definitely a forward rake happening. Loving it. Sunroof is functional and working perfectly.